Hi, my name is Anubhav Garg. I'm actually from Nairobi, Kenya, and I'm actually right now a student and I work in the theater and film industry. I've been learning the flute for roughly 2 years, and it's been really nice. It's been a nice instrument to play, and I've got some great teachers. Himanshu ji being one of them. He has helped in a lot of ways. For example, he's been teaching the right like techniques and everything, and there's a lot of things that you don't know about the flute that you get to discover right after he teaches you and after he speaks. So it's really nice to learn from him and to have this experience at the intensive. Himanshu is actually coming up with a platform called the Mystic Bamboo, and the aim of that platform is basically to help students who want to take up like the Basuri and everything seriously. And there are many benefits of this platform. One of them being that you can always use the platform as a referral point to see where exactly like basically when people are learning on Skype and everything right after the lesson, there's some things that you're not sure about that you want to go back to ask and all that, but you have to wait for a specific time period to ask that. And in the situation on that platform, you don't have to do that. You can actually just keep going back and checking everything on the platform. And then secondly, you can actually see the path that you have to take, and the path that you have to take to monitor your progress through through playing the instrument. It's I believe it's going to be a very good platform, and it should help a lot of people around the world. Thank you.